Breaking news, guys. R. Kelly has been caught having sex with an underage girl on film. Deja vu? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Don Julio giving that fire content once again. And guys, it has finally happened. R. Kelly has been indicted with over 10 counts of sexual assault with an underage girl. Now, we never thought this day would come. We've always thought that R. Kelly has, gone past all this bullshit, peeing on the girl, the underage girl shit, and we kind of thought that he was never going to get caught. We saw the Surviving R. Kelly documentary where he pretty much was the worst sexual predator monster you could ever believe. And TMC finally broke the story. They said that I saw an interview where somebody was talking about how R. Kelly, there's proof and evidence that there's a tape. R. Kelly was actually having sex with this girl, and they've been trying to hold it off because last time they released the tape, obviously you guys remember what happened. Let me read you this article that from CNN discussing a little bit on the topic. Pretty much it says, musician R. Kelly has been indicted on 10 counts of aggravated criminal sexual abuse, a Class 2 felony involving 4 alleged victims. Cook County State Attorney Kim Foxx said Friday he is scheduled to appear in court Saturday for a bail hearing. Arraignment is set for March 8th. A warrant has been issued for Kelly's arrest. Chicago police say the charges handed up in an indictment from a grand jury spanned from 1998 to 2010, Fox said. If convicted, Kelly may face a maximum of 7 years in prison for each count. Now, I'm not the best at math, but 7 times 10 equals 70 years. How old is R. Kelly? Isn't he in his 50s? I think it has 30, 40 more years left. Excuse me. But guys, I want to know how you guys are feeling about this. Are you guys happy that R. Kelly has finally gotten his comeuppance? Or do you guys think that we're no longer going to have any new R. Kelly music and that, maybe you guys felt differently about him? I think in reality that the man gets what he deserves and we are finally seeing justice. Well, let me know in the comment section below. It's your boy Don Julio and I'm out. Peace.